Now we can set the image parameters in the Acquisition Parameters menu. First, select the final resolution of the frame in the Frame Size field. If you click on the XY button, the system will offer you standard resolution options. Alternatively, you can manually specify the desired size. For example, 1500 times 1500 pixels. The optimal button will suggest the maximum frame size with the smallest possible physical pixel size. Then I want to change the scanning area using the zoom function. In new systems, you can not only zoom in but also zoom out of the scanning area. I changed the zoom factor from 1 to 0.6 and the scanning area increases almost twice. Clicking on 1 on the right returns the zoom factor to default value. At a zoom factor of 1 or higher, we can rotate our image. We can accurately locate the object in the field of view by adjusting the table's position along the X and Y axis. The buttons on the right return all these settings to their original 0 state. The averaging settings allow you to select the number of lines or frames to be averaged for noise reduction and better image quality. If you change the smoothing function from mean to sum, the system will sum the value of several lines or frames, which helps to enhance weak signals. However, increasing the number of lines or frames automatically increases the scanning time. The bit depth parameter determines the number of gray levels of intensity used to create the image. Each step of bit depth increases the size of the final frame. The direction mode determines the scanning direction, always from left to right or in a snake-like mode. Snake-like scanning is usually slightly faster. Lower scanning speed gives higher image quality. We can use maximum speed value for adjustments, but we should reduce the speed for the final scan. How to find an optimal speed for scanning? The microscope shows the pixel dwell value under the scanning speed slider. This parameter represents the time which the system spends for single pixel detection, depending on the configured parameters. According to the manufacturer's recommendations, this parameter should be greater than 0.7 microseconds for a good quality image.